How's it going, guys? This is another Beard Made Reviews. Today I am switching it up a little bit because I'm kind of excited for this, and as silly as it may seem, I really do wish more people would get these. So what I got here to kind of explain to you, I know you can clearly see it says Pitviper on it, but so these were a part of a warranty replacement, and I wanted to talk about their process a little bit and what they sent me as far as a replacement for the defective ones. If you call my last video where I showed you a bunch of my collection, you would know that I had a pair that had a defect. Explaining a little bit, what they did for my replacement is they initiated what they call Bitcoin, and basically it's credit towards another pair of product. It can be the sunglasses. You can spend it on whatever you want. So I wanted to do a unboxing with you and do like a hybrid review and change it up a little bit. So what we got is they like to do these kind of like quirky humor like this. It says the sunglasses if sunglasses would wear, or it would wear if sunglasses could wear sunglasses. I know I messed that up. They show some of the features, which all of these are correct. They're very durable. There is the site. It's pitviper.com. What's in the box: live snakes, explosive lithium batteries, pit vipers, sharp blades, chainsaws, barometer, aircraft parts, perfume, or cheese. Not going to take and show the bottom because that's got all my information on it. Let me get a knife here. And this is also a very, very nice knife. If you haven't seen my review on it, I suggest you go watch it. Okay, I'll take that, put it over here. All right, you are greeted with a infograph of your eye hole. It's got some different things. Y'all are welcome to take a look at that, but I'm not gonna bore you with it. Let's see what we got in here. So I went ahead and got, let me set this over to the side for a second. I went ahead and got the flip-offs again. These would be the second, I believe it's the second iteration of the flip-offs. I'd have to look at them side by side. I don't have my other ones with me right now, but these are meant for, like, if you do a lot of outdoor activities and you need to take your glasses off real quick. You don't have to. You can just flip them up. And that's just some of the box art. let's see what we got here. All right, we've got the shades, information manual and safety manual. These are not the ANSI rated lenses, which they are very good quality, but they're not ANSI rated. I'm gonna take my other ones off right here. Those are the Americas. So I went with the, I'll show this camera. The other camera's kind of already seen it. I went with the flare, the red flare with the black frame on this go around, simply because they didn't have the other ones in stock at the time. Very positive flip up on that. I'll put them on my face in a second. But yeah, these already got smudges on it. These are very well built. Let's see here. They got the, I don't know if you can see that code, but it's got that that Houdini. It says that's the code for these is Houdini, and these are the HD PV. They got that high def polarization. And that's what they look like on me. I got a fairly wide head, so they fit my head really comfortably. If you've had a problem with like other sunglasses and you want something that won't hurt the side of your head, these are great. Just get the extra wides or the double wides, I think that's what they're called. And yeah, you won't ever look back on getting like Costas or Ray-Bans or what have you, or even the gas station sunglasses. I can't stand those anymore. Not knocking anybody that has them. I mean, I was there at one point in time, but having a lifetime warranty is awesome with these, especially if you're rough on them. So this right here is the flip ups. It looks hilarious, I know. But do I care? Not a bit. Why? Because they're comfortable. Yeah. So included in the case, like I said, you got your manual, legal information, and then you got what they call a limp cloth. That's going to be for your to wipe your sunglasses off, so you don't have to use your shirt. It even has a how to clean. Fog lens with hot breath, wipe lens with limp cloth, put Pitvipers on face. But yeah, really good carry bag. They do have hard cases that you can purchase. Some of them do come with hard cases. You also have a lanyard. This is called something else. They call them rigs. Pitviper calls them rigs, but you've got a sunglasses lanyard, however you want to say that. It's okay. These little alligator clips, I don't know if that's coming through real good. These alligator clips right there, they tend to mar up the back of the holes. The ones that I want to keep like super nice for a little while, I usually take and get the slide on type rig, and that usually helps. And it kind of keeps the legs, the frames and everything. It keeps them protected on the legs and all. Yeah, so that is my replacement flip-offs. I love them. So we're gonna set this to the side. Set those right there. We'll put it right there. The next ones we got, these are called the Highball, and they say the Highball sunglasses, good looking sunglasses. It's very, you can pause the video and kind of read that if you want to. Sorry, I'm looking to make sure it's in good frame. These are really nice if you don't want a super wide frame. I was really excited to get these because it's like the normal type sunglasses, I guess you could say. It also comes with another lanyard. And then we have the sunglasses themselves. So that's how they look right there. These are like a ultra green, like a high-vis green mirrored. They have the little Pitviper right here. They're kind of taking a stab at Ray-Ban, I feel like, but these are pretty nice. They feel real good, even on my big head. These right here, they kind of wrap around, so you kind of get that sense of oversize. But these right here, they're comfortable. So yeah, those are very nice. And these say I'm not really sure what to make out of that one. I don't know, y'all may be able to see that, may not. I don't know. But yeah, these are real nice. And I like the little emblem that they put on the side of these. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Tell me what you think about them. And drop it down in the comments. I know this is a little bit off of what I mainly do, but it's something that I'm passionate about, and it's a good product. So I want to kind of pass that on to y'all. Again, these are the flip-offs. That's kind of real wide ones. They fit phenomenal. And these right here are very comfortable. Right here again, these are the Highballs. Yeah, the Highball. I wanted to call it Highballer, but it's not. Just good everyday sunglasses. With this this coating that they have on there, that ultra polarized, you can just about see through the water whenever you're fishing. So they make great fishing sunglasses. But yeah, that is the unboxing. I am extremely happy with these, and I hope to get many years off of these. I've got some that I've had for years and years. They've always been a good company, and you just gotta watch out by getting scammed. They only have one website. They are starting to have like walk-in stores, but you won't find them at like a mom and pop store. It's gonna be like, I think one's called Shades. they're starting to pick up in other stores. If they have the Pitviper logo, like it's official, yeah, you can walk in there and ask them to see. You can straight ask them if they're fake or not. They have to tell you if they are. If they don't, they're selling a false product. So, and if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. If I had to pay cash for these, this would have been close to around $170 something, maybe even a little more. But both of these were on sale at the time that I had got the refund. Check them out. They got sunglasses for everybody, even little kids. They also they're well known for their snow gear. That's some nice stuff if you get into that. They also have some good goggles for like ATV and that sort of thing. If I ever get to that stage where I need them, I'll buy some and show you. But all in all, that is a wrap on these. I was excited about them. I figured that I would make a semi-short video, I guess you'd say. Well, it's not really short. I may edit it down. Anyway, guys, I sure do appreciate you watching this. If you would, leave a like, comment, and maybe subscribe. And thank you for supporting me and being there. Y'all been great. Thank you.